If you're a data analyst and you do it for a living, you have to understand this concept. So the mistake I see a lot of the time in industry is when people start designing dashboards, they actually don't know which way to go and they end up going in crazy directions. So the concept here is called exploratory versus explanatory dashboards, and each one is very different. What you have here is what most people will build. It is an exploratory dashboard in that what it does is it's a self-service tool that you give to someone and they can play around with it. So say they're interested in central region. They can click on it, everything filters, and they can dive deeper into their data. They can say, well, I'm interested in Texas, and everything will start to filter, unfilter. You'll notice that there's a lot more controls as well on the side that they can toggle on and off in order to figure out the answer to their question. This is exploratory. They're exploring the data. Okay. When we do explanatory, we have less of this. So let me show you an equivalent. This is an explanatory dashboard. You'll notice that there's no filters. There's no actions, there's nothing interactive because we have done the research, we have done the analysis, and now we're trying to communicate to somebody else something important. We are explaining, hence it's an explanatory dashboard. So you can see right here, central region profitability breakdown, office supplies. So straight away you can see things are even formatted differently. We want them to focus on Texas to show that, well, Texas has the greatest loss at $26,000 in profit. The rest is not important because we're trying to get the reader to focus in on that. Now, with that loss in 26,000, what products are they? And this scatter plot shows us that actually there are 3 products, one here, and one here, that have caused a significant amount of profit loss. Based on that, there is a detailed report that you can see here and a final recommendation of what to do. We are basically saying, here's my analysis and here's what I want you to do with it. In exploratory, what we're doing is giving them the capability to discover the solution themselves. Each one has its place. One is not better than the other. It depends on the use case and it depends on the stakeholder. This is absolutely key if you are a working professional. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have other questions or things you're struggling with as a data analyst or Tableau specifically, be sure to drop a comment. By the way, I teach all of this stuff on my website at Jellyman Education. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.